Hello again, everyone. This is Brad, and we're going through Oomlaut's Experimenter's Guide for the Arduino, and this is Project 4. We're working with a servo motor, and it's the Tower Pro SG92R servo. Here's the circuit. We're hooked up to pin 9, and that is hooked up to the signal wire, the yellowish gold wire, and then we have power routed to the red wire and ground routed to brown, and that's how this was shown to hook up. And we'll plug that in real quick. And the code at the moment is written to cycle between 0 and 180 degrees, so it just cycles back and forth. Okay, and here's the code. This is available in File, Examples, Servo, and Sweep. And it starts out here with include, and this include here is to access the libraries that come with the Arduino software, and basically it accesses just a huge database of pre-existing codes that people have written, and different commands and things, and so basically it saves you a ton of programming and lines of code. So this is accessed a large file that basically controls the servo. And next we take that servo command and create a servo object, which is our Tower Pro servo that came with the kit. You can create up to 8 of those for the inputs on the board. This variable here, POS, is position, and that'll be what we'll be storing the degree of angle of the servo piece. And we're setting it up here. My servo again, we're attaching that servo object to pin 9, and that's the function there that does that. And then here's the loop that we're running, and this loop we're counting starting at position 0, and this here runs the servo back to the 0 position, which is what you saw at the beginning when I plugged that in. It runs real quick back to its position. And so we start at 0, count up to 179 in increments of 1, and then here my servo.write, and then writing the position of in 0 to 180, and this will swing the servo out around, and then each time it writes a new position, it delays 15 milliseconds to wait for the motor to reach that position. And then once it reaches 180, it starts this for loop and counts down back to 1. And again, 15 millisecond delay.